When it comes to finding the best BIM company in BTM Layout, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the industry. With its expertise and dedication to providing top-notch BIM services, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field. As a leading BIM company, Scon Design has a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest technologies and software used in the industry. This enables them to deliver high-quality BIM solutions that meet the specific needs and requirements of their clients. Whether it is 3D modeling, clash detection, or construction documentation, Scon Design has the knowledge and expertise to handle any project with precision and efficiency. One of the key reasons why Scon Design is considered the best BIM company in BTM Layout is its commitment to customer satisfaction. The company understands that each project is unique and requires a tailored approach. Therefore, they work closely with their clients to understand their goals and objectives, and then develop a customized BIM strategy to achieve them. This level of personalized service ensures that clients receive solutions that not only meet their expectations but also exceed them. Additionally, Scon Design is known for its professionalism and attention to detail. The company follows industry standards and best practices to ensure that every project is executed flawlessly. From the initial planning stages to the final deliverables, Scon Design maintains a high level of professionalism throughout the entire process. This ensures that clients can trust in the accuracy and reliability of their BIM solutions. Furthermore, Scon Design has an impressive portfolio that showcases their expertise and capabilities. The company has successfully completed numerous projects in BTM Layout and other areas of Bangalore, earning them a reputation for excellence in the industry. When it comes to finding the best architectural designers in BTM Layout, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that stands out. With their exceptional expertise and innovative approach, they have established themselves as one of the leading architectural design firms in the city. Their commitment to delivering high-quality designs and their attention to detail has earned them a reputation for excellence in the industry. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their team of highly skilled and experienced architectural designers. Each member of their team possesses a deep understanding of design principles and a passion for creating spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether it's residential, commercial, or institutional projects, they have the expertise to handle a wide range of architectural design needs. One of the key factors that sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other architectural design firms is their ability to provide customized solutions. They understand that every client is unique and has specific requirements and preferences. Therefore, they work closely with their clients to gain a thorough understanding of their vision and goals. This enables them to create designs that are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Another